Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
Too bad, ain't too bad.
Had on a real nice one.
18 and a half inches.
About 19, 18 and a quarter.
Yeah, well, yeah, 18
Yeah.
and 3/4.
Yes, sir. Good job, Patrick. What's up on you? I got plenty of jerk baits in there. Yes, sir. Got plenty of jerk baits in there. I knew it was something over there playing. I'm like, I'm gonna find out what you is. Yes, sir. Let's go. Yeah. I thought you had one. That's okay. I'm gonna get something to go on top of the weeds with. Yeah, man. Bet I got plenty of jerk baits in there. Huh? All right, man. All right, guys. Got on the first one of the day. Nice one, too. Let's get it back in the water. Thanks, buddy. Got a little confidence going there. This is nice right here. What the heck is this? Look, foul hook. Foul hooked them. But hey, it's a catch. It is a catch. It's a catch. It is a catch. All right. All right. Look at that, guys. Let's do a short. Let's do a short with this guy. All right, guys, out here this evening using the jerk bait. Got a nice one, guys. Let's get her back in the water. You know. All right, guys, let's get her back in the water. Nice fish. Ooh. Okay, get it right, buddy. Thank you. Uh-oh. Got one. Got something, y'all. Am I recording? Yep, I'm recording. Got one more, y'all. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here, buddy. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Come here. All right. All right, be still. No, be still. There you go. All right. I think I got, what, three or four. There we go. And where are you hooked? Trying not to tear you up too bad. There we go. Got it. All right, guys. Let's get this one back. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate that. Wow, that one was deep. That one was real deep. Let's see if we can do it again. That one was real deep. Comment, like, and subscribe. I'm trying to reach 7K this year, you guys, and I need y'all help. So y'all guys have a good one. Until the next video, I'll see y'all guys.